Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the tool review series. This video we're going to be going over something that is very similar to a review I did a couple of months back. If you got any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, scrollsawvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. Let's get started on this review and tell me what you think about it when I get done with it. Thanks for watching. This is the clamp that we have previously reviewed, and this is a brand from Bessie called Quick Clamp. Now, I really did like this version. Very nice clamp. So I was at one of my favorite woodworking supply stores, Peachtree Woodworking Supply, and they have another version that's out now. Now this is made by Fulton. And I can't remember the exact name of it now, but made by Fulton, sold by Peachtree Woodworking Supply. I have not seen this anywhere else. Now you can see the similarity of these. The main difference is on the Bessie, these two, I'll call these legs, are metal, and these are plastic. Now on the Bessie, these are plastic, and this is going to be plastic. On the Bessie, it has little indentions here. Might be hard to see. So the Fulton has the same style, little indentions. You can hear that. Now these work the exact same way. You just loosen that, you slide it up to your project that you're clamping, and then just pull the handle back and it locks it in place. The trigger will unlock it, pull the trigger, pull it back, and then you can slide it down. Now if you notice, this one has a screw holding the head on, and this one does not. This one's welded or molded into place. This one can be taken off. This one is a better clamp than this one, but this one is a lot cheaper. So you need to make your own decision on which one would be best for you. Both of these work excellent. Now these are longer than these, as you can see, and this one has like a little groove in it for this is right up and down on. Now this one does not have a groove on either side. But anyway, pretty self-explanatory. Let me show you how this works. I have some wood here. Let me do it like this. I have 3 pieces of wood. I'm going to push that up as tight as I can, then just pull this to clamp it into place. There we go. Easily done. Now let's check the holding power on this. Kind of slinging this, and these pieces of wood are not moving at all. So I'd give this a 2 thumbs up. Let's see. There we go. Get that apart. Now if you look at the pads on this, there are not any grooves on this pad. But on this pad there are grooves that will hold round objects into place. So, my overall opinion on this, I think this is going to be useful for a lot of people, especially for older people with arthritis that love to do woodworking or any kind of projects in your home. Elderly people that don't have a lot of hand strength. Very, very nice tool. Like I said, these are close to the same. These being more expensive, these being less expensive, but I think each one of them is going to be worth their weight in gold. Got these at Peachtree Woodworking Supply. I would encourage you to check them out. PTREEUSA.com. Now, I am not affiliated with Peachtree Woodworking Supply at all. They did not give me these. I did purchase these on my own. So I am giving an honest review. If you have any questions or concerns, please shoot me an email or drop a comment in the section below. I do appreciate you watching.